everyone, it's Wednesday and welcome back to our daily recaps here on Mental Picks. So for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 60 deals. So let's check this deal from Argos today. We got deals from Argos that you could earn 5.1 profit and an ROI 50%. Another one is 8.30 profit and then 83% from this Tony's. And then another Tony's deals that you could get 8.30 with 83% ROI. And lastly is this all-out Switch Nintendo Switch game that you could earn a profit of 7.43 with an ROI of 74%. Good deals just for starters for our Argos deals, and we have lots of other deals waiting for you guys. So check out all these channels from our online arbitrage leads. We got 43 deals from it. And then for our retail arbitrage, we got a total of 17 leads. So check out all our RA leads as well. There you go. And let's proceed with our free extra money channel wherein you could earn free extra money just by simply checking all these out. Check these channels out, guys, for you to know more about what we could offer. We got review giveaways, affiliate income, job opportunities, and bounty bonus waiting for you. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, check these channels out. Another one we got is the Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips. I know you guys are already familiar with it. So check this one out because this is a bot operated channel, so updated daily. There you go. You can see all the latest deals from there. And another bot operated channel that we got is this price drop monitoring wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops of these websites. Let's check this one from Argos. There you go, 50, 60%, 56%, and many more price drops. So we got a lot of leads from Argos leads drops today. So check out all this channel out, guys. And lastly, let's not forget our general and Amazon community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.